Hey everyone, today we are going to do another unboxing. On the docket today is the Sony XM5s. Okay, so recently, well not recently, I mean last year we did earlier this year, I don't know, we did the XM4s a while ago. And they were nice. Like the XM4s were better than the XM3s, as to be expected. The only problem I guess was that they looked exactly the same, other than like the text on the buttons. So I'm excited to check out these because, as you can see, they are a redesign. So let's go ahead and just open it, see what happens. Hey guys, Ricky from the future here. Just a quick announcement that we're officially giving away these Sony WH-1000XM5 headphones paired with one of our custom Black Dragon portable headphone cables. We'll give you more information about the giveaway later in this video, so stay tuned. For now, back to the unboxing. Hey, all right. So one thing I do want to point out is that since the XM4 earbuds, the WH-1000XM4s, Sony has started to use this proprietary, eco-sustainable packaging that doesn't include, I think it's like 99% less plastics or something. So I really appreciate their focus on sustainability, recyclable materials and all that. And as a plus, I think these are a little more sturdier than their cardboard counterparts that they used to have before. So from a protection standpoint, cool, good, I like it. So we have a new case design. Where do you want these? There? Okay, cool. It is a new design, I think, because the headphones, well, I guess we'll see in a minute, they don't fold like previous generations did. So we have a little cardboardy thingy here, quick start guide, that's attached to this thingamajig, little loop. You can hang it on a nail or something, I don't know, or a hook. So let's see what's in this. Oh. Sony free service, music service free trial for the 360 reality audio, which I think is compatible with specific music streaming systems like Deezer and some others. So that's pretty cool. This tells you how to wear the headphones. So don't wear them in the rain. Don't sweat on them. Also, don't sweat on them when they're on your neck. I don't know. And then apparently don't try to bathe them in the sink. So that's helpful. Cool. So let's open it up, see how they look. That's what I want to get to. That's what I want to get to. I like that. Okay. Oh, nice. Okay. Okay. So here they are. They kind of look like a mix between, I mean, they kept the minimalist ear cup design, which was kind of Sony's, you know, stylistic aesthetic that people really, really liked. I think it's really sleek looking. But it kind of looks like a mix between, I don't know, the AirPod Max design combined with the latest Bose 700s, kind of. Yeah, I like it. So this is a little different than last year. So again, the XM3s, the XM4s all had this kind of foldable design where you could fold this up, which, oh, they're right here. We'll get to that in a minute. The ear pads feel a little different. The rubber, the texture on it feels different. Let's just put it on. I just want to see what it feels like. They're light. I feel like they're, don't do that in slow motion because you'll get really bad facial fat jiggling. Yeah, they feel more snug than the previous generation. This is different. I wanna check that out in a minute. So I'm just gonna put these right here for now. So let's get back to the rest of the case. So the case is it's hard. It's all hard. It's molded inside, as you can see here. So everything just lays flat. Ooh, it's magnetic. That's nice. I like that. So this is where your cables are gonna go. So So you have your headphone cable, your 3.5, and then your USB-C to USB-A charging. Pretty minimal, but again, that's all you need. That's all you need right there. That's nice though, I like that. So here's the case. It's, again, orients flat in the case, whereas the XM4s, which are here, you have that foldable design. And again, I just want to look size-wise. I kind of like the foldable design a little bit just because of the smaller footprint, but I mean, it's negligible. It's not that much of a difference, right? So, I don't know. But see how they fold up. Padding's different. The adjustment mechanism's different. You can see here. But side by side, I mean, they're similar enough. The ear pad designs are, you know, they keep the minimalist, buttonless aesthetic. So let's look at buttons real quick on the ear pad. So again, there's really not much to it at all. On the right side, you just have your USB-C charging port. Bam, that's it. That's all you get. And then on the left ear cup, you have your 3.5 headphone jack. And then you have two buttons. That's it. Your on-off, and then your noise cancellation. I think that also doubles as your pairing, your Bluetooth pairing button. There is a lot of functionality to the headphone, despite there not being a lot of controls, but a lot of that functionality actually goes to your phone or comes from your phone. So I actually went ahead and downloaded the Headphones application, which is really easy to set up your headphones with. The pairing process is pretty simple. You can choose to use voice assistant if you have Android, if you have Apple, whichever it'll use. So that's kind of nice. But again, you have a lot of control with the application, which I'm not going to get into right now, but you know, I'm going to do the full product review on these, so stay tuned for that. That'll be coming out really, really soon. Let me just do a quick sound test. Quick sound test. You want me to do a sound test?
Yeah, sure.
All right, do a sound test. Let's play some music. Oh yeah! Oh, I forgot. One thing that was cool with the XM4 was that it has automatic voice sensing. So like if you're listening to music and someone's talking to you, it'll am I talking really loud right now?
Yeah, just a little bit.
Okay. So it'll recognize your voice, so it'll automatically pause your music, turn on the ambient setting, and you don't have to take your headphones off. That's pretty cool, right? So the headphones are smart enough to really kind of, you know, work with however you want to use them. So let me listen to some music. Let me crank up some fat beats, bro. Oh, I can't say anything because then it pauses the music. That's stupid. But one thing I am noticing right off the bat is the low end is a lot more transparent. It's still very, very, very present, like in the XM4s. There is like a difference in like resolution, fidelity. I'll get into more sound impressions in the review. Gestures are pretty neat. So again, with the contactless, you know, the buttonless ear cups, you have gesture controls. So double tap will pause or play your music. Swiping up will increase the volume. Swiping down will decrease the volume. Forward will track skip ahead. Backwards will track skip back. If you hold it, that'll activate your voice assistant. And if you cup your hand over the ear cup, it will deactivate the noise canceling, so you'll get full ambiance of your surroundings. And wait, there's more. If you're playing a track and you take the headphones off, there's a sensor in here that automatically detects if you remove the headphones from your head, and it'll pause the music and resume it when you put them back on. So yeah, there is a lot of functionality in these headphones. Right off the bat, the seal is a lot better than the XM4s. I think that has to do with the materials. These are a little more kind of rubberized feeling, so you have a stronger seal. I know Sony did use a different kind of a redesigned driver in these. I think it's a 30 millimeter driver, so I'll have more details on that in the full review. But yeah, it's a noticeable improvement, I think, just based off of first impressions. So I'm excited to delve deeper into these headphones. So that's going to wrap it up for the unboxing of the Sony WH-1000XM5 noise canceling headphones. So stay tuned for the full review, and we'll catch you later. Thanks for watching. It's official, Moon Audio fans. We're giving away these Sony WH-1000XM5 wireless noise canceling headphones and one of our custom Black Dragon portable headphone cables, a $550 value, free to one of our loyal followers. And to make things even more interesting, let me see if I can get this right. We're giving the first 50 people who enter a $50 online store credit on one purchase of $500 or more. Is that right? Okay. Simply follow the link in the description below to enter. The grand prize winner will be randomly drawn after the contest closes on Monday, September 19th, 2022, and announced during our headphone happy hour on Friday, September 23rd. Pro tip, you can also get access to secret codes for additional entries if you follow us on Facebook or Instagram, so be sure to do that if you're up for it. There's tons of other ways to enter, and once again, you can find out more by clicking the link in the description below. And before you go, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell so you're notified of all future giveaways as well. Who knows what we'll give away next?